One of the most profound ways to marvel at the beauty of creation by the glorified order of divinity, God, is to deeply appreciate the wonder and beauty of plants. And today I introduce you to Phalaenopsis orchid, or commonly called the moth orchid. And wow, this is truly an opportunity to appreciate the divine. One of the reasons I adore the moth orchid, not alone for their beauty, but also their association with spiritual and emotional healing. I recommend this plant in particular to be placed near your computer or if you work in a busy office. And as an energy healing practitioner, and from my personal experience with my relationship with Phalaenopsis, I know its power and ability to help restore and balance the energies of masculine and feminine energy, regardless of whether you're male or female. Very easy to maintain, and they flower. They flower for 2 to 6 months, and when the plant is mature, they'll actually flower 2 or 3 times a year. Imagine having that in your home, in your office, oozing that beautiful healing energy as well. And they're not difficult to maintain, as I said. Here's how I check if the orchid needs water. I pick it up and I check its weight. Now if it feels very light, I will give it a drink of water, allow the water to run through. Tap water is fine. Phalaenopsis are not challenging, difficult to look after. And I place it back into my lovely container. Hey presto, keeps flowering and flowering. And during those stressful times where we're dragging the past into the present, not being mindful in the moment, and rushing into the future that doesn't even exist now, Phalaenopsis for me is a great help to bring me back into the present. And I will sit and look at it. It brings me back into the moment, into divine gratitude. I feel more grounded. That's the wonderful thing about having lots of plants around you. And it's proven scientifically now that they emit such powerful, loving, calm, healing energy. And this is one of the most powerful you can have in your home or your office.